Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI. This is our master bathroom and we just installed a new GFCI from Leviton and it is so functional, so perfect. I highly recommend you get this one if you're looking for a GFCI receptacle. I love the modern look and also that it matches the rest of the switches and receptacles in my house, and it comes with its own faceplate. It's super easy to connect your devices. It feels nice and sturdy when you plug it in, and it's really easy to press the buttons as well. It's just great having peace of mind when you plug in all your devices, especially in a wet room like a bathroom. So if you're in the market for a GFCI receptacle, look no further. Check out Leviton. They have amazing quality receptacles that are going to fit your needs. They check all the boxes. They are going to keep your home safe, but that's just my point of view.